blanket with snow, isn't it?
Welcome to Wisconsin.
You're probably gonna have to walk in the street.
Oh yeah.
For a frame of reference, I'm 6'3", and the snow pretty much comes up to my waist, just below. It's at my head level at some points.
How's the blizzard? Yeah, I gotta get on my snow removal. It's gonna be a fun day.
By.
Yeah.
We'll take care of you.
All right.
All right, thank you.
I'll be by in probably another hour or two.
That's fine. That's fine, no problem.
Okay. I'll see you guys. See you, man. Beep beep. At least we got a parking spot here. Look, her shit just blew away from the wind. So we only really probably got to do the driveway side. Cause I came and shoveled this shit up the other day. Yeah. I put salt down.
Don't be screwed. For skinny people only. We made that big mountain of snow. My sphincter hurts. Shelby makes my anus throb.